hindi po to paramihan ng likes. Hindi rin to paramihan ng follower. Hindi rin ito padamihan ng virality, kung hindi patagalan lang that you stay in the game long enough, hard enough, until you're able to celebrate your message in the world. And if you don't get that, you're out of the game. So okay lang ba magpakilala ko sa aking sarili? So my name is Ras Huson. Can everyone say, hi Ras? Please don't call me sir. Okay lang ha? At lalong ma'am, klaro namang lalaki po ako. Right? I am 55 years old this year. Anyone younger than me? Raise your hand. Younger than me. Ay, ako yata pinakamatanda dito. Wag na wag yung tawaging kuya. Hindi po tayo magkapatid at lalo ng ate. Okay tayo? I love to be called by my first name. It's just Ras. Practice say, hi Ras. Okay, I love it because we have people from Mindanao because I'm also born and raised in Davao. Pinapalakpakan po. Ayan. Meron ba? Kasi taga Davao ako, Bisaya po ako. May mga Bisaya ba dito? Taas ang kamay. Uy, pakpak mga Bisaya. So pag nag-slide ang dila ko, pasensya po, Bisaya lang po. No? At I know how to speak Ilonggo. I know how to speak Tagalog. Of course, I practice my English speaking ability. Pinapalakpakan po. Ayan. Okay? And ano yung objective ko for today? No, I'm only given 2 hours or less for today. No, ang objective ko lang is to really introduce the word transformation. What's the word? Transformation. Because lagi nating naririnig yung transformation. Simplihan ko lang, no? Can we put up the slides that I have here? Simplihan ko lang. Yung dati mong problema, hindi mo na pinaproblema kasi nasusolve na siya by living life itself. Okay ba 'yon? Can we all read my quotable quote here? Ready? Begin. Do you agree? A lot of people, they attend seminar because they want to learn the how-tos. But here's the thing, all the how-tos, all the information, all the instructions are given out. It's free. Tama ba? Especially what? YouTube University. Especially what? We also have what we call our ChatGPT. Yes or yes? But how come it's not happening? Something is not happening simply because, again, if the how-tos, which means the information, or the instruction were just enough, siguro lahat tayo may six-pack abs na. Ayan. Okay ba yan? Sige, sino sa inyo dito, all the time, you've been hoping and wishing, sana, I'll have a hot, sexy, fit body. Raise your hand. And it's not happening. Continue, raise your hand. Diba? Do we know how to lose weight? Yes or yes? Do we know how to get fit? Yes or yes? And do we have our whys? Do we have our motivation? Yes. How come it's not happening? That's my role today. Okay lang ba that I'll be standing here in front of you not as a content creator? But here's the thing, I am gonna be celebrating my 3rd year anniversary as a content creator full-time. Pinapalakpakan ko yan. Would you like to know what happened to me the moment I embarked into the world of content creation? Okay lang ba? Okay, from how I started my career, no? I started po as a janitor. Pakisabi, gwapong janitor yan. Sabihin mo sa kanila, friend, pag nagka-budget ka, gagwapo ka rin. Di ba? And that's something that I want to understand, that the reason why I got myself as a janitor/promoter as my first job, not because I come from a poor family. In fact, I come from very good family, except I was born and raised maybe thinking na bobo ako. Meron ba katulad dito, feeling nyo bobo kayo? Wow, mga honor. Congratulations. Sana all. No? You know what's the worst part? Ask me what's the worst part. Bobo na pangit pa. No, seriously. All my life, my highest was 42-inch waistline, 246 pounds. At 55. Matigas yan. Hawakan mo. Matigas yan. Oh. Wag lang dito, ha? Ano kayo eh. All my life. Good thing, my first job was only good for 1 month, and I realized I did not work for a boss or a manager. I realized I worked for a mentor. And up until now, at age 55, I'm still mentoring a lot of people. Ask me why. Because a mentor can change the course of somebody's life. And today, I'm not going to stand up here as a content creator because, again, when I entered the content creation world, before content creation, I was having a great, grand life. And now it's 10x, even 100x. Okay, I understand we have a lot of people from the financial services here. right? I have an agency. It's called Master Agency for 10 years. And also, half of my manpower are MDRTs. All Gen Z and millennials. And here's the thing, I'm able to do that even without me being there. Okay ba yon? Ask me why. Because I understand the work. So I'm going to speak to you as a business owner. I'm going to speak to you as a founder. I'm going to speak to you as somebody who wants your business to operate without you. Is that a good deal? Yes or yes? In fact, your business can explode without you. Yes or yes? But I want you to understand three things. There are three ways of working with people. How many ways? So what I want you to write down is I want you to open to a clean sheet of paper and I want you to write three ways of working with people. The first way of working with people, I'm going to explain this here. Why? Because bakit ganito content creation? Bakit may mga pasayaw-sayaw? Right? Bakit may mga pasigaw-sigawan? Because again, I want you to understand how important this is. Because when you start to understand how important this is, I'll guarantee you, everyone in your organization will be self-managed. What's the word? Which people need not to be told. In fact, today is one of my biggest days. Ask me why. It's the opening of my Abundance 11. It's the 11th batch. And we have 100 or more people. They're all paying 150,000 each. They're hoping and wishing to see me there, but I'm not there in the opening. Ask me why. Because I just show up holding the mic because everyone is self-managed. I want you to write the word self-managed. What's the word? People are operating without being told. But they're not just self-managed. They're number two. They're also self-motivated. What's the word? Which means hindi sila nagtatrabaho dahil may kitaan, may bonus, may commission. They work because it's not the external motivation that you're looking for. It's the internal motivation. In fact, I love Gen Zs. I love millennials because they're the most self-motivated individual because they know what to do, except maybe we cannot capture them based on our old-fashioned traditional leadership. And this is where I'm coming in. Is this making sense? Ask me what's the best part? Self-retainment. Which means they're self-sustained, which is people stay with you for the rest of their lives. So I have most number of people who has been me from 21 right now, 34, 35, doing still business with me. And the most beautiful part around it is, again, I no longer am in the business or in the business. I just do whatever I want to do. Sino dito somehow, napapanood nyo na ako, nakikita nyo na ako online? Wow. And most of the time, where do you see me, guys? Yeah. Anong ginagawa ko sa social media? Teaching, coaching. But most of the time, I'm just having fun kung saan-saan. Ask me why. Because I can afford to live life the way I want it. Not working. Ask me why. Because again, everyone in my team are transformed as a human being of who they are. Okay lang ba? I'll show you what happened to me ever since I went into content creation. Before content creation, I only have one company. Okay, I founded. It's creating waves in the insurance industry. In fact, I went in the Asia Pacific. Ask me why. Have you heard of retention ratio or activity ratio? Yeah. We are the only agency during the pandemic who did 100% back-to-back-to-back activity ratio. And because I entered into content creation because of pandemic, what happened to me is I exploded in all aspects, not just 10x, 100x. Which is officially right now, I'm standing in front of you. I own 30 or more companies from a multi-million to multi-billion organization. So can we show them the slide, please? Right, so these are the companies I own. These are the companies that's running for me. These are the companies who I've been managing and serving, but all of the people who are actually in my own ways knows these three ways of working. More than that, I'm just blessed. Next slide, please. Right? That I have a life that I truly enjoy. No? So in one snap page, personally, this is who I am. Okay? Another here is I enjoy also living anywhere I am. So which means I have a house here in Manila, but most of the time, next slide, please. Wala. Yan. Okay, so I work from anywhere, everywhere. So right now, wherever I go, I'm just enjoying it. But most probably, I know where I stay. Most of the time, Manila. Or a lot of times, I should say 80% of my time is spent in my farm. No? So kung nakita nyo, ako po yan, no, at 55 years old, at ako rin yan, this is where I live in my farm. Okay? And the reason why I'm able to do this, simply because, again, it 100x my life because of content creation. Right? And nakakatuwa, no, dahil hindi naman ako dating sikat at nakakatuwa na maraming sikat na nakakilala sa akin dahil sa content creation. I may not have millions of followers, but here's one thing I truly enjoy. Ask me what? Because of my content creation, people are going to all of my seminars. Just like last weekend, I have 3 seminars. One in Bacolod, one in Pasig, and one in UP-BGC. All more than 1,000 people showed up in my seminar, and I'm not even there. Ask me how. Understanding 3 ways of working with people. The first way of working with people is what we call instructional or informational. What it is? What is it? Which means we give people instruction. We give people information. Is it working? Yes or no? Most of the time, it doesn't. Diba? Sa financial services, ma'am, we give them all the training, all the information. How many % are performing? Most of the time, it's the same people. Sakit ang ulo natin. Tama ba? Ask me why. Because according to Albert Moravian, if you only give them information, if you only give them instruction, it only works maximum 7%. Why? Because it's just appealing in the mind. Yun pala yun. Alam ko yung solusyon ng buhay ko, hindi nangyayari. Why? Because we all live here. And that is something we want you to start understanding, that when you only give instruction and information, it only appeals how many %? Maximum? 7%. Which means this training in the next 3 days, yes, we're going to give you the best of the best information instruction. However, that's not what we only have. Second way of working with people is what we call motivational or inspirational. What is it? Now, motivational and inspirational is more effective than instructional. In fact, according to Albert Moravian, it works 38% of the time. Ask me why. Because it appeals to the emotion. It appeals to the feelings. But na-notice nyo ba, sino ito company owner? Raise your hand. Right? Yung mga pa-contest natin, the same people are winning. Right? Something must be happening. And that's something we're not looking to. Why? Because again, we're not just appealing to the mind, we need to appeal to the heart through what we call motivation and inspiration. Now, this is where my work here is such an amazing work because I love it, because I practice it myself. Pwede ko bang i-share at iyabang yung buhay ko ngayon? Okay lang ba? Sabihin mo sa kanimo, friend, si Ras, habang tumatanda, mas lalong yumayami. Okay ba yan? Guys, do I look like I work out? Yes or no? I don't. Ask me why. I understand what transformational is. Pagkasabi, friend, si Ras, habang tumatanda, hindi nagtatrabaho, hinahabol ng pera. Okay ba yon? Yeah, just like today, guys, I have more than 100 students in UP-BGC and all paying 150,000 each. Do your math. And I'm here. Okay ba yon? And it's happening without even me working. Ask me why. Because I understand transformation. The older I get, the more loving I become. A lot of times, dahil nasaktan tayo isang beses, lumiit ang buhay natin, then we don't allow people to enter our lives. For me, I allow everyone. In fact, I reach out to people. Why? Because I understand transformation. Transformation begins with number 1, physical. What's the word? Your body. That's why we ask you to dance, we ask you to jump, we ask you to do a lot of things, because 55% of our transformation, 55% of our result, 55% of what's going on in your life will depend on how you're able to get in touch with your physical body. But transformation is not just body. Transformation is also number 2, heart, 38%, emotion, and 7% is what we call your mind or your mental, which now creates 100%. When the body and the heart and the mind aligns, it becomes now congruent. What's the word? In full alignment. When this aligns, then what happens here is we are now living in a state wherein effortless. What's the word? Body, 55. Mind, 7%. Congruency is now what we call effortless. Which means, ganito lang po yan. Simplihan lang natin. An example here, how many of you want to become a multi-millionaire? Yan, taas ang kamay. Right, so which means I want to become a multi-millionaire. And we were all told how to be one. Tama ba? We all went to training how to be one. Ask me why hindi nangyayari. Because your heart is not matched with what you want. And what you want doesn't match with how you move. And therefore, our job here is to make sure we match what we want to how we feel. And how we feel will now be how we act. Anong example dito? How many of you here, you went into a certain situation, may nasaktan ka ng ibang tao, dahil nasaktan mo ibang tao, maraming nasaktan, at higit sa ikaw nasaktan, at sasabi mo, hindi ko na siya uulitin. Did you go into that space? And automatic, you did it again without even thinking. Yes? Tapos ano yung iyong theme song? Gusto mo malaman theme song mo? Gusto kong bumait. Yung mga kumakanta, kaidarang ko yan. Diba? Sabi ng mind, gusto kong bumait, pero di ko magawa. Ask me why. Too many things going on in my heart. Now, why does it become effortless? Ask me why. Because when the body, heart, and mind is congruent, that's where real transformation is. And transformation is coming from the word form, that you go beyond the form. That means you are now living as to your highest truth. Would you like to know who you are as a highest truth? Yes or yes? Pakisabi, I am a spiritual being in a human body experience. Which means at the end of the day, as a beautiful creation of God, do you deserve all the blessing? Yes or yes? But how come it's not happening? How come pahirapan? How come paiyakan? How come gapang? Because maybe we only know it from the mind level. But maybe deep in our heart, there's too many things that we're not even aware of. As a little child, even before you were born, trauma that we carry. Then as a teenager, another trauma, as another trauma, until you now start to believe that the world is not safe. Yesterday, I just posted something in my Facebook. Pray nang pray. Walang pakundangan ng worry. Tiwala lang. Because at the end of the day, if you don't surrender to your highest truth, which is spirit, soul, or I would also say a beautiful creation of God. Again, I'm not going to endorse any particular religion here. Whatever religion you have, stay there. If you're Catholic, become a better Catholic. If you're Iglesia, become better Iglesia. If you're Islam, become better Islam. What I'm trying to say here is go back to your highest truth. Sabihin mo sa kanila, friend, you are a beautiful. Bakit yung sa harap lang sasalita? Alright, yung nasa likod, nandito lang. Okay? Okay lang ba? I'll just push you to not stay here, but stay here, stay here. Okay? So, kaya sabi sa katabi mo, tapikin mo yung katabi mo, friend, you are a beautiful creation of God. Tapos, tignan mo yung itsura niya. Akala ko ba beautiful? And therefore, you want you to surrender to your highest truth. Your highest truth here is what we call spiritual being. Soul or spirit. And anong connection nito dito sa CMB? 100%. Because at the end of the day, I'd like you to understand, hindi po to paramihan ng likes. Hindi rin to paramihan ng follower. Hindi rin ito padamihan ng virality, kung hindi patagalan lang that you stay in the game long enough, hard enough, until you're able to celebrate your message in the world. And if you don't get that, you're out of the game. Because at the end of the day, the difference between a means goal and an end goal. What's the word? So I want you to write the word means goal. What is it? Means goal, ito yung mga pamamaraan para makuha mo yung gusto mo. Means goal. This is what we call MEANS. Hindi siya menstruation na, kasi iba yun, di ba? Means goal. Pamamaraan. Vehicle. Kaya a means goal is your business. MDRT. Right? Content creation are your means. However, we want to identify first, not just the means goal, but the end goal. When you say end goal, this is what do we want out of this? Why do we want virality? Why do we want a lot of followers? Why do we want millions of money? Ask me why. Kayo, bakit nyo gusto lumaki ang buhay nyo, mag-10x ang buhay nyo? Can you just shout out? To serve, to make an impact, freedom, become a blessing. That means by the end of the day, your end goal is your purpose. I want you to write the word purpose, which is to give, to serve, create an impact. But here's the thing, most of people are focused on the means goal. How do we know? Pag nag-viral, enjoy, happy, magpo-post. Pag walang nanonood, sasama. And I want you to put this out there because if you don't want this, useless lahat ng pinagtuto natin dito. So can I share mine? My end goal, that I'm a person right now who no need to work. Even the next 50 to 70 years, the same lifestyle, I'm A-okay. When I say lifestyle, right? Holy Week po next week. Me and my entire family will be in Malipano Island. We're gonna rent the entire Malipano Island. That's every year. And after which, me and my entire team, 50 of my interns will be in Bangkok. Food trip lang, April 13 to 16. And after that, a week after, I'm gonna fly with my parents to Singapore for medical thing, whatever. And then by April 28, all the way to April 28 to May 16, I will be with my entire family, including the in-laws, to do an Alaskan cruise. Pakisabi, all business class. Ready, begin. Good or good? Awesome. God is good. Sobra. Ang tanong, how do we now have that? Now, I want you to understand, yes, we have a means goal, which is your business. We have an end goal, which is to serve. But I want you to focus on what we call your source. That do not make your job your source. Do not make your family your source. But make your source, when I say your source is your Creator. And how do we know that you create your life based on the source to connect with it? Because when you're just focused on the means goal, your life will always be fear, doubt, and worry. Lalo ngayon. May gera. No, kahapon nagpagas kami 125, hallelujah. But ilang crisis na pinagdaanan natin. Focus lang tayo sa ating end goal, which is what we call to serve, to give, or maybe I'd like to do this as our calling. Can I share you my calling? I don't have dreams for myself anymore. Kasi hindi ko na siya pinapangarap, binibili ko na yan. Ini-schedule na lang. Maganda ba yon? I don't have dreams for my family in the world because they're all good. But how come I'm working Monday to Sunday like crazy? I wake up 3 a.m. every day, sleep 10 p.m., work back to back to back to back. Not for money, but because my only heart's desire, samahan niyo po ako dito. Bakit ako nandito? Because you will help me build a nation that is first world country. Na walang mangingibang bayan, dahil ang ekonomiya nandito, at kung magibang bayan man, hindi dahil magpakaalila sa ibang banyaga, kung hindi, bakasyon, happiness, lifestyle, but not to be slave by any other nation. Why? Isa po tayong dakilang lahi. Tulungan niyo po ako. But the only way can that happen is, let's bless our government. Stop complaining. That's their game. But maybe our fight here is to start connecting to who we truly are. That when your source, your soul, your spirit is your main objective, whatever means you have, it will just show up. Klaro ba? Hindi ka naman pinababayaan eh. That means I want you to start understanding that when you are directly connected to your source, move your fear, doubt, and worry to the most important job in your life. Ask me what it is. Faith. Tiwala lang. Di ba? Sabi sa Matthew, nakita mo yung ibon? They're provided for. Ba't tayo matakot? And in spite of us going on in the world right now, hope. Act in hope. Move forward. But above all, let's all live a life that is sustainable, never-ending, is to put in love in everyone and in anything that we do. Are you with me? So, take a deep breath, inhale, and exhale. Good morning. Good morning. Pilipinas, CMB 13, game ka na ba? Are you guys open to experience transformation this morning? And the way we do this is to make sure that we start to understand, if you want to make it happen in life, I want you to understand most simple thing. Pakisabi sa katay mo, friend, sa buhay, para manalo, hindi patalinuhan. Do you agree? Yeah, maraming taong matalino, kaso lang hindi na nanalo. Sabihin mo sa friend, sa buhay, hindi rin pagandahan. Di ba? May kilala kang hindi naman kaganda, pero laging panalo. Yes or yes? Ask me, where is the competition? Ask me where? Choice. At the end of the day, we all have choice. Okay. Passionate ako, hindi ako galit. Nagpa-practice lang ako. Ask me why. I have a new advocacy, right? To awaken the souls of many Filipino by turning a new mindset. And I'm practicing right now, simply because by September, we're gonna do Philippine Arena, 100,000 people awakening. The spirit, the soul, the purpose from within. Practice ko lang to para at least pag 100,000 ang audience ko, okay lang tayo. Okay lang ba? At least itong nasa harap, nababasbasa ng aking laway. Is it making sense? So which means I want you now to understand that when you start creating a choice, in life we only have 4 choices. The first choice is what they call full out. What's the word? When you say full out, it's not about winning. It's not being the best or top one, but whenever you say yes to something, mean it as if your life depended on it. Can I give you my secret? How come I easily earn 7 figures weekly? Ask me what? When I say yes to something, I'm gonna give it all. Sabihin mo sa katabi, friend, itodo mo na. Malay mo. Last day mo na. No, you'll never know, guys. This might be my last day. At least I gave it all. And that's how I always win in all aspect. Nag-network marketing po din po ako. Panalo. Nag-insurance ako, panalo. Lahat ng pinapasukan ko, panalo ako. Ask me why. Because I understand, at the end of the day, make a choice to go all in, all out, even if signs of you not winning is showing up. Doesn't matter. And that's what you call brave heart. What's the word? Buong-buo mong ibibigay. Ramdam niyo ba yung passion ko ngayon? Bigay ko buong-buo. Parang kausap ko 100,000, ramdam. Ask me why. This is me. And maybe this is an invitation for all of you here to go full out for the next 3 days. Because most of you, can I be honest, feedback, 50-50. Sasagot lang pag safe. Hihiyaw lang pag convenient. Ano yung 50-50? Meron na ba kayong na-hire na, kunwari sa sales, tapos tinrain mo na, wow, grabe, magiging top 1 ako! Tapos paglabas, ay, may ulan, bukas na lang. Yung buhay nila parang abante atras. Kaya yung kanilang result, 50-50. Pag sa hospital, pag sinabi yung asawa mo 50-50, good news, bad news. O kaya pala naghihingalo ka sa buhay. Ask me why. Most of your choices is 50-50. Sige nga, sino dito, sinabi mo na sa buhay mo, magda-diet ako, taas ang kamay. Di ba? Tapos hindi mo na panindigan, taas ang kamay. O, ask me why. Hindi ka tumodo. May nalalaman ka bang OMAD? Alam niyo yung OMAD? Depende sa ulam. No, seriously. No, I tested it out, guys. At 55, oh my God. Oh my God. Because I understand what commitment is. Here's the thing. Most Filipino are not even 50-50. They did not even try. Why? Because they just want to watch. Watcher. Please write the word. Now, if you're just here, you want to watch, your investment, sayang. But here's the thing, I'm not gonna allow it. Because my name is at stake. I'm the Chief Flow Officer of House Creative. I designed all of this with Coach Darbs. And we're not gonna allow anyone to graduate here by just watching. Eh di nag-YouTube na lang sana kayo. Diba? Kilala niyo yung mga watchers sa company? Pag mayroong mga awarding, palakpakan. Tapos 3 years na, nanonood pa lang siya. Tapos alam mo anong favorite nilang mga, yung kalang tagline? Sana Tapos yung itsura parang inggitera, sana Diba? Tapos pag matagal nang walang award yan, nagiging Marites yan. Kilala si Marites. Yung kumareng laging chismis. Sinong barkada ni Marites? Si Marisol. Yung kumareng laging, alam mo sinong nanay nila? Si Marife. Yung kumareng laging walang Farah. Kasing lola nila si Marie Chris. Kilala si Marie Chris. Yung kumareng laging krisis. Why? Because they're just watching in the game called life. Participate 100%. This is your game. This is your life. Make it happen for you. But here's the thing. Maybe 90-95% of Filipino don't even live in this tree realm. Most of Filipino hindi na kumikita. Nawalan pa na pag-asa. And they just live their life day to day like a zombie. Ask me why. They chose out in the game called life. So the last player here is choose out. So some of you, maybe this afternoon, napagod dito, lalabas na. Choose out. Some of you, maybe you're just watching at any given time, you will be in all 4. But I'm gonna challenge you guys, since nandito na rin kayo, tutulungan namin kayo na ma-practice to lahat. You know, proud na proud lang ako because again, all of those 30 companies are people who are in my space, who are now extra successful. Extra successful. Tanggalin lahat anong meron sila, kahit saan mo iba to, anong ekonomiya, anong industry, successful sila. Ask me why. They know. They know that if you're not successful because maybe you're just 50-50. Maybe you're just watching or maybe you just choose not to participate. Fair or fair? So again, at the end of the day, content creation is just a means. But we want to make sure you're going to do it up until your purpose is going to show up. Hopefully, my purpose to see the Philippines first world in my lifetime will happen until my last breath. And therefore, the name of the game here is longevity. What's the word? Patagalan. And the way we do that is to make sure that when we look at ourselves, sino dito, pag pinapanood mo yung sarili mo in camera, parang hindi ka masyadong tuwang-tuwa, taas ang kamay. Wow. Tanong niyo sa akin, when you look at myself tanong sa akin, pag nakikita ko sarili ko sa video, anong reaction ko? Grabe naman yan. OA naman sa galing yan. Taro ba? Because until then, will there be somebody better looking than you? Yes or yes? Will there be somebody uglier than you? Yes or yes? The most important part is, do you like you? Yes. We will see. Because the moment you look at in the mirror, say, that's not maybe you liking you. Because the first thing, I want you to understand, when you want to be 10x in your life, the first thing you want to step into is your level of likability. What's the word? Which means, do you like you? It will show in terms of your body. So what I want you to do is to draw this 3-circle. This is what we call ontological coaching. It's the art and science of human beingness. And if we train our body to like us, then we are actually moving forward physically. Because in the end, sabihin mo sa body mo, body, kung pinanganak kang pangit. Uy, wag naman i-impasa yung pangit. Okay, lumingon sa kabila. No? Body, ready go, body. Kung pinanganak kang pangit, kasalanan ng magulang mo yan. Pero ito, emphasize, pag namatay kang pangit, kasalanan mo na yan. Klaro ba? But here's the thing, it's not even the face. It's how much I like me. Ask me why. Because when people, no matter how much great your contents are, may bashers pa rin. And I don't want you to be affected by that. Ask me why. Do I care if you like me? Yes or no? Of course, yes. It's a basic human want. It's not the need. But not that much. Ask me why. Repeat after me. I like me. So if you don't like you, work to some extent of liking you by making sure physically you are healthy, fit, and well. Ask me why. Repeat after me. If you have thousands of problems, we have thousands of problems. But if you have health problem, you only have one problem. And yet we don't invest a lot of time, energy, effort, even money to be healthy, to be fit. And that's the number 2 problem in the world. Not just depression, but number 2 is what we call disease, lifestyle. Kasi may paniwala, habang tumatanda, humihina. No, that's the biggest BS. If you know me, teenager, early adult, at 55, oh my God, ibang-iba. Ask me why. Because I understand this. And it's very important when you show up on camera, wow, grabe, at 60, may asim pa. Because at the end of the day, the reason why we want content creation is because we want to be an inspiration. And wag mong sabihin sa mata lang daw ng tao yung kagandahan. Tama ba? Yung totoong kagandahan niya sa kalooban. Tama ba? Kasabi ng mga pangit lang yan. No, I want to be honest and be real. People will judge you based on how you look. That's the initial part. Meaning, be that inspiration. Now, are you guys open to do an experiment right now? Are your phones with you? All right, so please take out your phone. Please take out your phone. And as you take out your phone, Alright. So here's what's gonna happen. Partner A, bigyan mo yung phone kay partner B. Sabi, partner A, bigay mo yung phone mo kay partner B, everyone. At sabihin mo, partner A kay partner B, want to partner B. Sabay-sabay, partner B, you will be my videographer. Partner A, listen up. In a moment, two things you will do. Number one, you orient partner B. Partner B, ito yung aking side ha. Itong gusto ko sa side ko. Tapos sabi, partner B, ayusan mo ako, yung buhok ko, yung muta ko, tanggalin mo. Because partner B, you're not just a videographer, you're also a stylist. Right? Now, at the count of 3 later on, listen up, at the count of 3 later on, partner B, okay, at the count of 3, you're gonna shoot partner A. And partner A, I'll give you maximum 1 minute. And in this 1 minute content, you're gonna talk about, why do I want this message out? What's my purpose? Why do I want to be a content creator? And this is not about you selling. This is not about you recruiting, but this is about you becoming the message and the light of our Creator, meaning you have a message here. And that is where the mission, the calling that you want to step into, that will give you the greatest fulfillment in life. What's your purpose? Why do you want this? What are you passionate about life? So that this will be your message to the world. Your energy is actually direct reflection of your facial expression, your eye contact, your gestures, but above all, your posture. My recommendation here, ladies and gentlemen, is to start making sure that your priority, more than your business, more than your family, is what we call extreme self-care. What's the word? Iba tipong alagang-alaga yung sarili mo. Si Rasbat, 55, fresh na fresh? Ay, grabe. Ask me why. I sleep at least 10 p.m. every day. Sabihin mo sa kaharap mo, friend, dapat proud ka sa eye bags mo. Pinagpuyatan mo yan. Klaro? Extreme self-care. OA kung OA, but here's the thing. Useless ang pera if you don't feel good about yourself. I don't even have to wear my Rolex, my whatever. Because why? I carry me all the time where I am. Extremely important. That's where transformation begins. Now, second part here is also very important, is what we call your heart. What is it? Because your heart is your emotion. What is it? And most of the time, if we're not creating what we want, simply because maybe something's getting into the way. Because your level of connectability, what's the word? Will be now your life force when you create your contents. And when we say connectability, it's the emotion behind the words, the timbre, the speed, volume, and the expression of how you convey your message through your emotion. But a lot of times, tayong Pilipino, komportable tayo sa emotion na masaya, kahit nasaktan na, okay pa rin. At yung drama natin, welcome, abuse me, simply because maybe we're not allowed to express our emotion. Are you guys open to explore emotion? Because at the end of the day, even if you have all the resources in your life and yet you don't feel fulfilled, you don't feel happy, ask me why. Maybe there's bags that we carry. Blame, anger, guilt, shame. And these are the very reason why people are not creating what they want, even though they know what to do. Even though they have all the things, all the reason why they do, because maybe there's too much baggages that people carry. So perhaps today, if you don't feel like a level 10, that's okay. Let's acknowledge it. But are you guys open to deep dive? Because kaninang emotion that we actually start to explore are the emotions, all the high emotions na wala namang nangyari. You know, it pains me so much that despite of what's going on in the government, we just laugh about it, and it should not be that case. Humor is something that we want to set aside if we want transformation. Our goal here every day is to make sure we're fully connected to ourselves. Because when fully connected to ourselves, who are we really fully connected with? Thank you. And the way we connect with God is to make sure that we feel good. Ask me why. God is all the. And if you want to feel good, feel God all the time. And maybe things that we want to handle every day is to stay connected to you from a heart level. Which is, wag kang lumarga pag may sama ka ng loob, i-clear mo. Did that feel good? Did that feel right? Can I challenge you during break? O, magpadala ka ng video. Ma'am, how are you? I miss you. I love you. You know what? I know something happened, but here's the thing. I love you and respect you no matter what. Mama, love you. How does that feel like? Let it go. And again, in all of my businesses, hindi pwedeng pumasok nang hindi clear yung puso. That's the only block that's stopping us from receiving all the blessing. Do you believe that God has every intention to bless you with anything and everything that you want right here, right now? Yes or yes? And how come is that happening? Ask me why. He cannot enter. Dahil ang dami nating bit-bit na bagahe. Sabihin mo sa body mo, body, pag natatai ka, itae mo na. Di ba? Di ba? One day, hindi ka nagdumi. Ano pakiramdam? 2 days. 3 days. That's physical dumping. But how about emotional dumping? Kaya I don't know, if you notice me, ako buong-buo ako araw-araw. I have no holding back. When you really know me, I celebrate life as it's the first day for the rest of my life. And it can also be my last day. But making sure that I clear my heart every day. Sabi nga, di ba, pag meron kang offering sa akin, pag may sama ka ng loob sa ibang tao, ayusin mo yan because useless ang offering mo. And the reason why kaya siya kahirap sa buhay, ask me why. Pray ka ng pray, ayaw maging responsable. It's like you wanting to buy perfume but you don't like to shower. Are you with me? It's a day-to-day thing for you to connect. Are you with me? Take a deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Last piece of transformation is what we call mind. And your mind is all about reliability. What's the word? Which is, are you reliable with your content? What does it mean? Letter A, please write this. Do you have necessary knowledge that when you speak, people listen? Why? Because you have an advanced knowledge. A lot of knowledge that's available out there is already outdated. Which is upgrade your knowledge. Number 2, do you have the necessary skills, kakayanan? Which is make sure that what you know, you practice it into skills. Number 3, experience. Allow yourself to expand your reliability, your experience, but above all, the most important part, if you want to 10x your life with ease and flow, raise your hand. Earn by the millions without the hard work, raise your hand. Ask me how. Leadership factory. Create leaders around you. Can I share you most important leadership factory right now? Letter A, embrace what we call digital transformation. Hindi na pwedeng ikaw lang at hindi ka nakakaalam. Sino dito nag-Airbnb na? Taas ang kamay. Anong tinitingnan nyo? Picture o review? O paano ka pupuntahan ng mga tao? Wala nagre-review sa'yo. When everything is digitized, it now become dematerialized. What's the word? Sige nga, naabutan nyo ba yung panahon bago ka pag makarinig ka ng music, hindi radio, kulay itim na bilog, tapos may ganon. Ang tawag dyan? Plaka. O mga kaidaran ko, alam yan. Tapos nawala yung plaka, anong kapalit? Cassette tape. Paano mag-rewind? Ballpen. Pagkatapos ng cassette tape, naging CD. Pagkatapos ng CD, naging USB. Ngayon, nasaan ang music? It's now dematerialized. Then it becomes demonetized. Libre ang music. Then it becomes democratized. Sige nga, ilang libo ang picture sa phone mo ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung naabutan yung pag mayaman ka, Kodak, 12. Pag medyo mahirap, Agfa, 12 plus 2, 14. Tama ba? Which means the future currency is no longer money, but it's trust. But are you online? Now, I'm not up for online 100%, by the way. There's a lot of dark side of online, but here's the thing. How can I impact the world if I don't even change the way I do it? Klaro? Number 2, AI. Laking tulong ng AI. I created a brand new program, no? Batch 1 pa lang, I think naka 6 batches na kami dahil umaapa po gusto at hindi na akong gumagawa nun. Dahil na AI ko na. Maganda ba yon? Number 3, make sure that you are targeting Gen Z and Alpha. You know, in my own area, I only accept between 18 to 22-year-old kids. Sila pong pinakamasarap katrabaho. So if I were you in your insurance agency, target the Gen Alpha, target the Gen Z because they're the best people to work with. Sorry for all Gen X na katulad ko. Gen Alpha is the best, by the way. So can you imagine, I have people working with me, 12, 13, 14, 15. They're so brilliant. And if you don't know how to support them, you're out of the game. Are you with me? Is that something that you want to start looking into? Take a deep breath. Partner A, be honest, be real to partner B. Gaano ka ka-reliable sa gusto mong message? Level 10, ay nako, ako pinaka-ba-advance. Kung itabi ako sa competition, panalo ako sure. Knowledge, skills, experience, leadership. How reliable on you with what you do. If not, start working on your reliability. Are you with me? So where is the transformation here? When you start to honor the temple of the Holy Spirit through your extreme self-care. Also, clear your heart that when you move, you don't carry any emotion that baggages. At the same time, being able to create a certain degree of growth with yourself, experience. Then when these three aligns, you are, which means congruent to who you are. Sabi nga, it's not by might, which is our hard work, nor by power, which is our own intelligence, but by my spirit, and this is where effortless comes in. Exciting ba yon? Now, before I leave, okay lang ba humiling kung na-bless ko kayo today?